Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 New Collection Solar Water Heaters Review 2025.
Number 4.
This DC and AC solar PV water heater, available in 60L, 80L, and 100L capacities, efficiently converts solar heat energy for household and hotel use. Wall-mounted for space-saving installation, it features a digital display for precise temperature control. Combining solar and electric heating, it ensures continuous hot water with energy savings.
Number 3.
This Chinese top-selling 60L wall-mounted solar water heater combines AC and DC power with PV solar technology for efficient heating. Designed for bathroom showers, it offers reliable hot water while reducing electricity costs. Its compact, space-saving design ensures easy installation, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective household solution.
Number 2.
The XL flat panel solar water heater features a photoelectric dual-purpose system for efficient heating. Its pressure-type design ensures steady water flow, while the one-stage power-saving function optimizes energy use. Ideal for large households, it combines solar and electric heating, providing reliable, eco-friendly, and cost-effective hot water year-round.
Number 1.
Integrated flat panel solar water heaters combine solar and electric heating for efficient hot water supply. Using photoelectric dual-purpose technology, they harness solar energy while providing an electric backup. The flat panel design enhances heat absorption, ensuring year-round functionality. With a built-in sunscreen feature, they offer durability, energy savings, and eco-friendliness.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.